And we will be teaching who is here, and who is here are going to be moving around throughout their lives, taking jobs, falling in love, making babies, doing the things that humans do. So we need to equip the white students here for a world we can only imagine, but we know will be a diverse place. Talking about Indigenous education, and we will be talking about and thinking about our Indigenous learners and what they need to succeed. But it is also a gift and a blessing and a need of our white students and everyone else to understand diversity, to navigate a diverse place so they're prepared for the world they're going to live in, get married in, have babies in, raise babies in, and go to work in. The diversity's coming to North Dakota, and North Dakota's going to the rest of the world, which is diverse. No way around it. If you really zoom out, by the way, like these culture wars are going to seem very silly to most people. We're not going to get to like Star Trek Next Generation where all the races are represented and everybody gets along really well, and everyone's totally colorblind. It'll more likely be some kind of brown soup. It's probably a more likely outcome. It's ironic, but the more diverse we become, the more homogenous we'll end up being. Because we're all bumping into each other and making things together. You can't find a musical tradition that's not influenced by many different traditions. An artistic tradition that's not influenced by many. Or a nation that is not built by people from many different groups.